We also have this dry streak going on for us 31 days in a row now. It's been a month since we've seen measurable rain out at DFW Airport. That happened back on July 16th. It was almost a third of an inch. Longest streak on record was in the year 2000 when we went 84 days from July 1st through the middle to end of September. But obviously that means that so far this August we have not seen any measurable rain. That streak continues for the moment. And that's happened before. No measurable rain in August has happened quite a few years. The most recently in 2000. It actually happened the year before that too in 1999. 1980, that horrible summer, didn't rain in all of August. Then it also happened in 1943, 1929, 1913, and 1902. So here's hoping that we don't add 2023 to that list. We obviously have 2 weeks left for the month of August here, but unless we get a decent pattern change or maybe some sort of tropical system just happening to move up into Texas, I see that us staying dry for the time being, and that's also led to obviously the drought and the fire conditions ongoing. We continue to have more burn bans getting added to the list. Grayson County, the latest to be added, which leaves a donut hole around Collin County. To be honest, I'm not sure what's going on in Collin County because moderate drought is pretty much in the whole county at the moment, and everywhere around there has banned outdoor burning. So I would imagine Collin County will get added to that list here in not too terribly long. As elevated fire danger will continue through the rest of the week into the weekend, especially as we heat back up. I would not be surprised if we get that high fire danger across western areas, especially as we head into kind of the late weekend time frame. That breeze will pick up a little bit more, and that could lead to higher fire danger conditions across our western areas. Not any rain to speak of, obviously, in North Texas, and hardly any rain in the state of Texas, just a few showers kind of across deep south Texas, maybe a little pop-up shower activity kind of between Midland and Austin at the moment. And prospects for rain, at least in our area, are pretty slim. Gonna have some tropical moisture start to move into the Texas coast next week, help give them some rain. But you can see how high pressure is just going to set up across the central part of the country over the next 10 days. Pretty rainy across the desert southwest, extending right up through Idaho to Montana. Great Lakes area see some rain, East Coast see some rain, Florida sees some rain, but kind of North Texas stays high and dry for the time being. So we're going to be hot. It'll be 107 tomorrow. High pressure builds across the central part of the country up to 108 on Friday, 107 on Saturday. And for us, we hit 106 on Sunday as a big old ridge of high pressure will bring the heat to the upper Midwest, Central Plains, kind of their first taste of, above normal temperatures for them this summer. I mean, they've been warm to hot at times, but kind of the whole northern part of the country has been dealing with cooler than normal conditions this summer, but that looks to change as we head through the upcoming weekend and into next week. And that means for us, the excessive heat warning is back starting tomorrow. It'll get extended through Friday, Saturday, and likely Sunday as well. But remember, we kind of just have those one day at a time. They get extended just kind of each and every day. Tomorrow, in the meantime, in the morning will actually be another pleasant morning. Not quite as cool as this morning, but it'll still be a nice start to the day, down to 75 as you start tomorrow. But then it's really going to warm up tomorrow once that sun gets going, up to 107 tomorrow afternoon. It's excessive heat warning. It's an ozone action day. The breeze will be out of the southeast about 5 to 15, and it could be close to record heights. I mean, 107 is the record tomorrow, so if we hit that, we'll tie it. Obviously, if we hit 108, we'll break it. Could have record heat potentially Saturday and Sunday, with both records Saturday and Sunday at 107. And next week, the record high is 105 on Monday, and that's my high on Monday. So we could have 3 or 4 days here over the next 5 where we could have potential for some record heat. Did add some low and rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, as maybe some of that tropical moisture can give us a few showers or storms around the area, but I'm not overly optimistic at this point.